Good morning, second graders. Today we're on page 39 of your student journal, page 39, and I actually got a head start on writing our objective, but you can fill it in with me. It says, today I will subtract two-digit numbers by using the number line strategy and relate it to a written method. Okay, so a two-digit number is any number from 10 to 99. So it has two digits. So an example could be of a two-digit number. We could have 27 because it has a 2 and a 7 in it. Another example could be 81. So those are two-digit numbers. And we're going to use the number line strategy. And then we're going to relate it to the written method, or what we call working form. Okay, so let's look at our vocabulary today. Our first word is decompose. It says to take apart a number and separate the ones, tens, and hundreds. Okay, so an example of decompose would be if I had a number that was 74. 74 is made up of 7 tens. So we could say 70 plus 4. Now we could even decompose this further, and instead of saying 70, we could say 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So we could even break up the 70 into 7 tens. And we're actually going to do that on some of our problems. Okay, then we have count back using the number line. So 54 take away or subtract 32. So here they decompose the 32 into 10 plus 10 plus 10 because these three tens equal 30, and then we have the 2. And then they show you an example. But boys and girls, I'm going to show you an example, so we're not going to look at this one. I will show you the steps because these are the steps I'm going to be following. It says we're going to write the minuend at the end right side of the number line. Remember, the minuend is your first number. It's your starting number in a subtraction problem. Then we're going to decompose the subtrahend. The subtrahend is the number that we're subtracting. We're going to count back the number of tens, count back the number of ones, and then write the difference, which is our answer. Then we'll be writing the problem in working form. Okay. So boys and girls, I'm going to get started on this and show you what this looks like. So here is my first problem, and I have my red pen, so you're just watching for a moment because I have my red pen. Okay, so my first problem says 93 take away 41. So my first step is I'm going to write the minuend at the end of the number line. So I'm going to write it at the end of the number line. I have 93. My second step is I'm going to decompose the subtrahend. So this is my subtrahend. So my subtrahend, if I look at it, that's my ones and my tens. So my subtrahend has 4 tens. So it has 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. And then it has 1, 1. So this is my subtrahend looks like. Okay. So after I've done that, now I'm going to count back. I'm going to go backwards. So if I had 93 and I take away 10 from 93, I would have 83. So I took away 1 10, but look how many 10s I still have left. So I'm going to take away another 10. What's 83 take away 10 more? That would be 73. So now I've taken away 2 10s. I'm going to take away another 10. So 73 take away 10 is 63. I'm going to take away even another 10. So 63 take away 10 is 53. So I've taken away 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, and I had 4 tens. Now I'm going to take away 1, 1. So 53 take away 1 is 52. So my difference, or my answer, is 52. Now in working form, what does this look like? I have 93, take away 41, and I want to carefully line up my ones and my tens. So 3 ones take away 1 1 is 2 ones. 9 tens take away 4 tens is 5 tens. So my difference is still 52. Okay, let's look at another one of these. This time my problem or equation says 59 take away 25. Okay, so my first step is I'm going to write my minuend at the end of my number line, 59. My second step is I'm going to decompose my subtrahend. So I have 5 ones and 2 tens. So I could say 10 plus 10, because that's 2 tens, plus 5 ones. Okay, now I'm going to count back. So 59 take away 10 is 49. I'm going to take another 10 away. 49 take away 10 is 39. So I took 2 tens away. Now I'm going to take 5 away. 39 take away 5, I could count back and use my hands if I need to. But I know 39 take away 5 is 34. So my difference is 34. And in working form, I would say I have my minuend, take away my subtrahend, and I want to make sure my ones are lined up in my tens. So I have 9 ones, take away 5 ones is 4 ones. 5 tens, take away 2 tens is 3 tens. So my answer is still 34. Okay, boys and girls, let's do one of these together. We are on page 40. So please turn to page 40, and here's our first equation. 84 take away 21. Okay, so our minuend is 84, so let's put it at the end of our number line. Okay, our subtrahend is 21, so let's write it. Let's put our place values on top, ones and tens. So let's decompose that. So 21 is 2 tens, so we're going to say 10 plus 10. And it's 1 1. Okay, so now we're going to count back. So 84 take away 10 is 74. But let's take away 10 more. So 74 take away 10 is 64. So we had 2 tens and we took both of them away. Now we just have to take away 1 1. So 64 take away 1 is 63. So our difference is 63. Okay, let's put that in working form. So our minuend is 84. Our subtrahend is 21. Make sure your ones are lined up and your tens are lined up. Okay, ready? So 4 ones take away 1 1 would be 3 ones. 8 tens take away 2 tens would be 6 tens. So our difference is still 63. That's just a different strategy. Okay, let's look at our last equation together. It's 58 take away 45. Okay, so our minuend is 58. Let's put it at the end of our number line. And our subtrahend is 45, which means I have 5 ones and 4 tens. Okay, so let's decompose that. So 4 tens mean 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. And then we just have 5 ones. Okay, so we're going to need to count back 4 tens. So ready? 58 take away 1 10 is 48. Okay, let's take away another 10. 48 take away 10 is 38. Okay, let's take away another 10. 38 take away 10 is 28. So we've done 3, but we have 1 left. So 28 take away 10 is 18. And then 18 take away 5 is, you could count back if you need to. You could go 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13 is 13. So our difference is 13. And what this looks like in working form is, let's put our minuend, 58. Take away our subtrahend, 45, and make sure your ones are lined up and your tens. So 8 ones take away 5 ones is 3 ones. And 5 tens take away 4 tens is 1 10. So we get the same difference regardless. Okay, boys and girls, keep practicing this and have a great day. Bye.